Mamintio, with the key rationale behind Sa Supreme Court, Mwakoi, try and say, move to me a place injunction, Wabra, GRA, into me and take up the implementation of E-Levy.
Yo, Medasipa, Maminchia, Tifonina, Tifo Kaya, on the 30th of March, and Mene, the Honorable Minority Leader Haruna Idrisu, and Minya Mahama Yariga, ye call Supreme Court filing a substantive case on the 30th of March. Substantive case and now main case now ye filing on the 30th of March. Ye catch Supreme Court say the Akoso of Parliament on the 29th March. That is the previous day. A year unconstitutional. The Supreme Court and Kasa on more recent case or more decided on the 9th of March, the Justice Abdullah case. Or more say for a parliamentary decision to be constitutional. We hear MPs 138. That is half of 275 MPs, according to Article 1041 of the Constitution. And we drew the attention of the Apex Court. Say, you work it out now. Now, aka NIPA 136 on the MPP side. And yet constitutional, and yet legal, totally null and void. Say, NIPA and MPs 136, an inferior number to the threshold required of 138. We drew the attention of the court, sir, on the 26th of November, 137 NDC MPs, we have rejected the 2022 budget. Supreme Court in the Abdullah case said we didn't have the numbers. We drew 138. We are making the point, sir, MPs are 137. They need the numbers. They don't meet 138. In the decision now you take here on the 26th of November 2021. No, it is unconstitutional. It's null and void, as the Supreme Court held. Then how is it possible, sir? An inferior number, it's a chain, the 137, 136 can then claim, sir, or more pass the E-Levy, because Ubekaya Sadan 29th March na Yenyaba the Honorable Sarah Josafo na Uni Parliament. The Honorable Kojokum, Chieftaincy Minister, Hunter West MP, also Amba Parliament Wamba Chamber. Yet is said na or ambulance and later modern call the clinic at the parliamentary clinic. But that is not the chamber of Parliament. OSHA constitutional provision now as present and voted. So what chamber in our own standing orders, order 48 say Yabetuaba Nasa Obi Erezi MPS sorry Erezi Kuroma. The speaker instructs said the bell should be rung. And within 10 minutes, the beer war within the princes, a beer war car, or office, or clinic, or restaurant, a beer work or urinal. You have to move out and come to the chamber to be present and voting. And review video footage, and the same situation was the case as we walked out. It was 136. Or muteki decisions. Then second reading, consideration stage, third reading, all those decision-making points. Now, Omuhia MPs 138. They didn't have that. And that is a substantive case. But you finally that case on the 30th. Up to now, Yenya date Chief Justice on panel here. We have not been told when the hearing will commence. And so we have noticed a buying announcement say 1st May 1st May E-Levy almost started edge almost move into implementation. ye who GRA for so more publish notice to the general public. I what paper more case than obia body rule say first May Ghana for nyina omunya crado say E-Levy no aban jesa to no eno na ye tena se ka say the air cost no ye din na say we don't go back to the Supreme Court. Now yanko filing an application for an injunction. Then we will be sitting on our rights. And one show you at the time on the free case, now the harm we are trying to prevent, say Ghanaians should not pay this unconstitutional levy. No. Now the harm has been caused already. And Abain so Ojo Sika, it will be very difficult to get a refund. Because Abain to me say Osikana Meje ABA media tier salaries. And I said media kwako see a coin be and media kwako see hospital be and ABA media kwako rent luxury jet be. I'm a president there two coin and Sikano and available. And because of that, Interna and Dra, your Johnny call Supreme Court say we now want an injunction on the government, GRA for Omunyana, Omopese, Omu implement E-Levy, pending the determination of the substantive case. It is fortunately Yanya 4th May as the hearing date. The lawyers will tell you, sir, once you file application for injunction and then you notify the parties what serve you Omunyana, it serves as a stay. We don't expect, say, GRA4 and Ministry of Finance and our telcos first May way Obia Bekwakoji Obisika say E-Levy to.
Yes.